The Caterpillar 320E excavator, equipped with approximately 153 horsepower, demonstrates impressive efficiency. Its bucket, comparable to the precision of a shark's bite, penetrates the ground with ease, extracting sturdy tree stumps and roots. An absolutely captivating performance. The All-Store 822/8WD mini tractor, with its compact design, glides through tough terrains. Seeing it reverse uphill while loaded with timber is a true game changer, proving how far technology has come. Bucking is the second most dangerous task in logging. One misstep and disaster strikes. This Sawyer clearly demonstrates proficiency, displaying a refined skill set essential for such demanding work. The Tiger Cat 635H, one of the most powerful logging machines, encountered trouble when it got stuck in the swamp. However, the timely intervention of the Cat 555D demonstrated the capability of specialized recovery machines. This is a perfect example of coordination between heavy machinery and challenging terrain. Trained horses are used to move logs in snowy forests, far from where machines can go. You can hear the bells and the sound of hooves as they work. It's simple, effective, and time-tested.
Lady and Phillips.
In the crisp morning air, the aromatic scent of the 1997 Kenworth truck's engine fills the atmosphere as it gracefully navigates the curve, roaring down the sun-drenched road. What a ride! Amidst Sweden's lush woodlands, the Terry 34C harvester takes center stage, flaunting its skillful design. Its agile cutting head ensures minimal disruption to nature's treasures. Any idea what its price tag looks like? The massive claw of the excavator holds the gigantic logs. Can you guess what it will do next? In the blink of an eye, they were thrown straight into the river, and the excavator stood tall like a true champion. Wow, can you believe this? The snow on the road is piled high, and the logging truck is really struggling to make it up the hill. I'd never dare to try that. Hats off to the driver. Absolutely amazing. The 9 HP stump grinder, a powerhouse in a sleek, compact form. It's small, it's refined, but don't be fooled. It devours the thickest, hardest stumps with ease. How cool would it be to have one of these in your toolkit? In a bustling construction site, a crane hoists timber onto a chipper. In mere seconds, solid wood transforms into fine mulch. These machines stand as giants among us, their power and durability simply breathtaking. Hey, check out that train. Isn't it impressive? It's fascinating to see how many cars are connected, all carrying those long pieces of wood. I wonder where it's all headed. Isn't it cool to see the wheels turning and the train chugging along? Say goodbye to tiny wood splitters. Hebel's 4000 is here with its powerful 67 horsepower engine and massive saw blade, effortlessly splitting logs up to 20 inches in diameter in just a blink. Plus, it features a closed conveyor system that lifts the split wood right up to you. Isn't that amazing? If you've just started managing a new forest, especially one filled with lots of small branches, this equipment will change the game for you. Can you believe it? No damage to the trees at all, just a clean sweep of branches in no time. This truck is rolling down the hill with an enormous load. And the driver? Total pro, handling it like a champ. The dust and smoke fill the air, but the way he controls that machine is pure skill. Imagine a machine that's as nimble as a squirrel, but packs the punch of a heavyweight. This small, mobile wood chipper can move anywhere, and its speed will surprise you. It's like watching nature's work at double speed. The HF800 is a remarkable machine, equipped with a conical drill that delivers powerful drilling force. Equipped with a conical drill and remarkable drilling power, it can split logs into small pieces with unmatched efficiency. The scale of the neatly stacked logs is truly amazing. The logs are arranged like a work of art, with sunlight reflecting brilliantly. This scene genuinely reflects the beauty of hard work in the lumber industry. The design of the tree stump puller is reminiscent of a hawk's beak, which underscores its exceptional efficiency in stump removal. Truly a professional-grade tool.